If you have the Apple logo stuck like this for a long time, here are some things you can try. Mine's currently not stuck like this. I'm just rebooting it just to give you an idea of what the thing looks like, just so we're on the same page. So what you want to do first is press the up and down volume really quickly in succession, and then press the big button on the side here. So we go up, down, and then hold, actually not press, the button on the side. We see the slide to power off. Keep holding it. The button on the right, the big one, keep holding it until the Apple logo either appears or disappears. Now I can let go because the Apple logo is here. And then this should fix it, but maybe not in the first try. You might have to keep trying that over and over. And then you got to wait here for a little bit. My iPhone's a little older, so it takes a little while longer for this to reset, or it's just too much data on my phone or something. It just takes a little bit longer. So you got to wait a certain amount of time to see if that fixed it. If that didn't fix it, you got to try it again. And then try it again. I'd say 2 or 3 times. And if that didn't do it, then you're going to need to find a power cord and plug this phone into your computer. So I'm going to plug mine in right now. And now when we do that same process with our phone plugged into the computer, and we hold that action button until we get the logo back. Actually, this time we won't get the Apple logo because we're plugged into the computer. It's going to show a little computer symbol with a plug on it. Wrong. The Apple logo is there. But the plugged in computer logo is going to show up in just a second. There it is. So now we have the phone connected to the computer, and we see on my computer here, we have phone right there. And here we have a pop-up saying there's a problem with the phone that requires it to be updated or restored. So you can press restore if you have a backup on your computer. You can press update to update the software. And then this should, 9 times out of 10, fix the problem you're having with the Apple logo being stuck. If this does not fix it, your next best bet is to go to an Apple store to have them plug into their diagnostic systems and see if they can find a problem there. And if after you fix this, you find your phone is going kind of slow, there's something you might want to check, which is to make sure there's no viruses or malware on your phone, which this video right here walks you through, and also how to fix it if you do find them. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on this one.